Hello everyone, my name is Muskan and I welcome you at Aptic Study Abroad. Today I'm going to talk about a very common topic, which is IELTS. Most of us fear IELTS because it's an English communication test. But today, don't worry, I'll be clearing all your doubts away. So let's start. The IELTS exam is bifurcated into two modules, Academic IELTS or General Training IELTS. We will be talking about the Academic IELTS. Academic IELTS is further bifurcated into four modules: speaking, listening, reading and writing. The speaking test usually doesn't take place on the same day as reading, writing and listening. It can take place earlier or maybe later. Talking about the listening module. The listening module consists of 4 sections, which will be for 10 minutes each. Usually, in these sections, you will be hearing some recordings. The recordings may be based on daily conversations, a lecture, or maybe a discussion. The tip is that you need to listen every recording very carefully and read the instructions carefully. Talking about the reading module, it usually lasts for 60 minutes. It has 3 passages, which are usually taken from magazines, books, or newspapers. You need to read the passages very carefully and answer the questions. Now here is a tip. Usually, the reading section in the IELTS exam, if it's academic, it may be more analytical in comparison with the General Training IELTS. Talking about the writing module, it consists of 2 tasks. Task 1 usually says that you need to describe a bar graph, a pie chart, or a diagram. Always remember, you should always follow the word limit. And you should not spend more than 20 minutes on task 1. Coming on task 2. It usually consists of an argument, a problem, or a situation. You need to write an essay justifying your answer. Always remember, task 2 contains double the weightage as of task 1. Last but not the least, the speaking module. The speaking module is like an interview, which has 3 parts. The first part, the examiner is going to ask you about yourself, like an introduction. In the second part, you would be given a topic on which you need to speak for at least 1 to 2 minutes. In the third part, you will be asked further questions related to the topic which you chose in the part 2. Always remember to make a conversation with the examiner. You should not pre-learn your answers and you should be confident. Hope this video helped. For any further information, you can contact on the numbers below and our admission experts would love to help you. Thank you.